రాష్ట్రంలో ఈ ఏడాది సైబర్ నేరాలు 18% పెరిగాయన్నారు తెలంగాణ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ బ్యూరో డీజీ శిఖా గోయల్. 2023లో 91,652 ఫిర్యాదులు రాగా ఈ ఏడాది 1,14,174 వచ్చాయని చెప్పారు. సైబర్ నేరాల బాధితులకు సహాయం చేయడంతో పాటు సైబర్ నేరగాళ్లను కట్టడి చేశామని చెప్పారు. ఈ ఏడాది కొత్తగా సైబర్ క్రైమ్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్లు ఏర్పాటు చేశామన్నారు శిఖా గోయల్.
So in this year, the Bureau for the first time had started doing operations, and so this is the third operation which we did. The first was in Rajasthan, as we told. The second one was in Telangana recently, and this is again we first did it here in Telangana. As you are all aware that the cyber crime is showing an increasing trend. So the number of cases which we registered this year, or the complaints which we got this year, were almost 18% more than what was last year. So there's about an 18 to 20% increase in cyber crimes being reported. And during this year, it was the first time that we had started registering cases in the bureau. The police stations, the 7 police stations started functioning this year. And you are all aware of the phenomenal work with respect to refund which has happened this year. So this year we've been able to refund now 176 crores approximately. 176 crores has been returned as compared to about 8 crores last year. Besides, the number of total cyber criminals which were arrested has also increased. It is not only the one which the Bureau did, but we have we have also created a special teams, joint teams, which operate with the Bureau, and these teams are also executing PT warrants, getting criminals from different parts of the country. So that is another one thing which was done this year. We have arrested 1,057 cyber criminals were arrested this year, and they were involved in 19,000 plus cases in Telangana. So more than 1 lakh cases in the country these people have been involved in, which we have arrested. And also because of this crime links which we are making through our technology and the tool which is available with Telangana Police, the PsyCAPS, the Government of India also recognized, and a few months back the Bureau was awarded a certificate and commendation by the Union Home Minister for assistance in the Samanvay portal with the Government of India is making for the similar purpose. So that has been a good achievement. And besides blocking the hold the money, the other area which we have concentrated this year is on getting the IMEI numbers blocked, so that the devices cannot be used. So besides blocking the SIMs, which is approximately about 15,000 SIMs were blocked this year, the major achievement actually has been in the other area of blocking the IMEI, wherein this year about 9,800 IMEIs were blocked. So this prevents the instrument from